Hey everyone, welcome back to another Linux tutorial. Today we are diving into Crontab, one of the most powerful tools for scheduling the tasks in Linux. If you are a system administrator or a developer, automating a repetitive task like backups, log cleanups, or system monitoring is a game changer. In this tutorial, I will explain Crontab and also I will walk you through its real world use case and show you the live demo of scheduling a task. So let's get started. Let's see the manual page for Crontab. Here you can see the details about the Crontab and their options. In Linux, cron is built-in scheduler that lets you run script or commands at a specific time or intervals. The cron table file is where we define these scheduled jobs. Crontab file means a cron table. For example, with Crontab, you can run a backup script every night, automatically clear old logs every week, monitor the system disk usage every hour. So each Crontab entry follows this format. Let's see if we have any Crontab cron job schedule. There is no any cron job schedule as of now on my system. So to configure, each Crontab entry follows this format. And here it will be a command or script to run. This is the syntax where star symbols represent first it represent minutes 0 to 59, and the second star represent hour 0 to 24 hours we can define, and the third star day of month from 1st to 31st, and the fourth star represent month from first month to a 12th month, and the last fifth star represent day of week. It might be a 0 to 7 where 0 and 7 is equals to Sunday. Let's jump straight into a real example by scheduling a simple task that runs in the next minute so we can see it's in action. So let's create a sample script that logs the disk usage to a file. First, let's create a script name disk underscore usage.sh. I have the script. Let me copy paste it. This is the script. I have added the code inside this script. This script logs the current date, appends the disk usage info to a log file, adds a separator for a readability. So before adding it to a cron, we need to make it executable. So I will provide the execute permission for this disk usage.sh. I have given the execute permission. Let's see the permission for disk usage file. You can see for all user I have provided execute permission. So let's schedule it to run at a next available minutes. Crontab -e. Once you are inside the Crontab file, press I to insert 5-star and then followed by disk usage.sh. Save it. Here you can see installing a new Crontab. To check, we can run crontab -l. Here you can see we have the file. So I have added the dot. We need to remove that dot. Crontab -l. Cross check. Yes, we have that file. So in next 30 seconds, this script will run. We have scheduled this job to run every minute. So for that we have given star at the beginning. Here you can see it has recorded the log, and also it has been added the separator for readability. So in the next minute also it will run the script to monitor the log, and you will get that df-h details over here. So you will see the report of the disk usage added every minute. So the next minute it added once again. So like this, we can use cron job or a cron tab to schedule a command or a script. Here are some common scheduling scenarios. You can run a script every day at midnight, and you can run the script every Monday at 6 a.m. If you can run this script every 5 minutes. So see, these are the examples. You can also clear a log on 1st of every month at midnight. Like this, you can add your script or a command in a cron tab. So let's go to the screen. Let's see the cron job. By using crontab-l, you can see one job has been configured. If you want to remove all scheduled jobs, directly you can run crontab-r. This will remove all the jobs. Again, cross verify by running crontab-l. You can see there are no cron tab scheduled for the root user. By using -r, we can remove all the scheduled jobs from cron tab. To remove a single job, we need to run crontab-e and delete a specific cron. So let's see how we can check the cron logs and debug it when we face any issue, like we have scheduled the cron job and it is not running. So we can check the cron logs, where log. These are the logs recorded for the cron jobs, where log cron. This is the file. If your job is not running, check the cron logs or redirect a error to a log file for debugging. How we can do it? Assume, let me edit cron tab. Assume you have the script. This is the script. You can redirect like this. To greater than %1. Like this you can configure. This will redirect the errors to a file for a debugging. So this is about the cron job or a cron tab. While cron is a great for scheduling the task, systemd timer offers a more modern alternative with a better logging and system integration. If you are managing a Rocky Linux or any other systemd based distro, you might want to check it out. We will cover systemd timers in the next video, so stay tuned. And that's it for this tutorial. We have covered how to use Crontab for scheduling the task, real world example for system admins and developers, a live demo for creating and scheduling a cron job. If this tutorial helped, like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Linux content. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.